Everyone. You might be in a situation where for some reason iOS 18.7.7 just isn't updating. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that you have enough storage saved onto your device. So make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, and then make your way over into your general settings. So tap into your general settings, and then go and click onto iPhone storage. So then go into iPhone storage right over here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and just make sure you have enough storage saved onto your iPhone. This is always going to be the number one thing that hopefully will end up addressing this problem. So just go through, just make sure you don't have any sort of storage issues within your iPhone, because if you do, well, then that's going to cause some issues for you. So this is kind of the starting point. Now, that's not ending, that doesn't end up fixing the problem. You might also just want to double check your internet connection. So your Wi-Fi connection, your internet connection, you might just want to make sure that there's no problems or issues there. Because if there is, then you're basically going to be able to see that right inside of this panel as well. And that's another way to go and kind of fix and address this problem too. So just go through and make sure there's not really any sort of problems or issues when it comes down to that side as well. Now you can also try going through and try restarting your iPhone. So hold down the volume up and the power button, slide the power off your iPhone. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem for you too, which chances are it might end up fixing it. If that's still not working, you might want to try going through and seeing if you can plug in your iPhone to your computer, like how I have here, and try seeing if you're able to go through and basically update your iPhone via your computer. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.